Morning children, in this session we are going to study about profit and loss percentage. The profit and loss percentage as find for cost price only. So only I give the cost price here. The cost price simply I have to represent CP. Here our cost price is rupees 15,000 and profit is rupees 1,500. So profit percentage is nothing but profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So this is our profit percentage formula, children. Now I have to apply the given data. Our profit how much? Rupees 1,500. So I write down 1,500 divided by our cost price is 15,000. So I write down 15,000 and multiply by 100. Listen children, you have to strike out 1 0 0. Then second 0 0. Here you have 0 0. So in the denominator I have to cut all the zeros. Then remaining I have here 15 only. So now I cut this 15. How many times here? In numerator I have 150, but numerator I have 15 only. Is it clear? So you know that 5 table very well, you know, both the 5 in one place you have 5 means it should be divided by 5 table. Also the ones place 0 means that number also should be divided by the 5 table. So how many times 5 in 15? 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. So how many times children? 3 times. Like that here also you know 15 I take now. How many times? 5 in 15. 3 5s are 15. But here you have one more 0. Just you have to add that 0. Now you get 30 in the numerator and denominator you have 3 alone. Now I cut 3. 1 3 is 3. Here 1 3 is 3. Here you have 0. So 10. In denominator you get 1 alone. So that no need to write. Here also 1. So 1 10 is 10. Or 10 ones are 10. So how much profit you get now? Profit is equal to 10%. Is it clear? Children, I have to solve this problem in another method, our usual method. You cut the 0. The 2 zeros I have to cut now. Then one more 0 you have. I cut it here. So now you have in numerator, what you have? 150. And in the denominator, you have 15 alone. So as usual, you compare children. The dividend, first digit is 1 alone. But you have 2-digit number. So that we can't divide. So you take one more digit. Now you have 2 digit 15 and 15 here. So 1 15 is 15. So how many times children? 1 time. So 1 15 is 15. Subtraction. Division is the repeated subtraction. So what comes now? 0. Again you bring down 0, you know. This 0 can't divide by 15. So you have to add one more 0 here. Now you get 10. So what comes now? This one divide means you should get 10. So 10, here 1. 10 ones are 10. So what's a percentage? Your profit percentage is nothing but 10%. So that's your answer. So now our problem is find the loss percentage. So this is loss percentage, children. Here I give the cost price, that is CP is rupees 30,000 and loss is rupees 1,500. So our solution, loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. In profit, that we take here profit, but here loss percentage. So instead of here you write down loss, that alone difference. So you need to substitute the given amount. The loss is rupees 1,500 and cost price is 30,000 is multiplied by 100. So you cut the 0. You should cut the numerator and denominator only, children. Be careful. 0, 0, 0, 0. Again, here 1 0. The remaining 1 0, both the 0 has cut now. This is in the denominator you have 3 and the numerator you have 15. So which table can divide both 3 and 15? Yes, very good. 1 3 is 3 and 5 3s are 15. So 5 ones are 5. In the denominator you have 1, no need to write it. So your loss percentage is 5%. The one more method you follow means just you have to write the denominator in out, the numerator in inside. Now you tell the 3 table, children. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So how many times? 5 times. So 5 3s are 15. Again I put the subtraction. You subtract means 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. So quotient you get 5. So 5%. This one is another method, children. Don't be confused. You know this method means you can solve this method or else you follow this method. Which one is easy for you, that will you can follow. So our answer is, loss is equal to, that means loss percentage is equal to 5%. So in this session you study about how to find the loss and profit using the cost price and profit and loss price. I hope you all learned well. Thank you, children.